Waiting the cancel. Yeah, man.
What's up, you all? Welcome back to my channel. It's pumpkin in Sierra Leone style. I'll be using this type of pumpkin. It weighs about 1.5 kilo. I'll be using 1 tomato, 3 onions, 1 paprika, some tomato paste, some mushrooms, eggplants, hot pepper. I'll be using like 300 grams of meat and stockfish, dry fish, chicken, and some peanut butter with my Maggi cube, and I'll be cooking it with oil. I'm adding 200 milliliter oil into the pot and allow to heat for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll then add my chopped onions into it, and I'll then add my stockfish and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. So I'll now add half a teaspoon of salt into my onions. Then I'll then add my boiled chicken and my boiled meat into the onions and allow it to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes. So at this point, I will now add the rest of the vegetables. That include eggplant, paprika, chopped tomatoes, mushrooms, hot pepper, spring onions, and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. I will now add my Maggi into it. For my peanut butter, I will then add 3 spoons of peanut butter into the stock water, that is the remaining water from the meat and the chicken, and mix and add into the vegetables. It will now cook for 10 minutes. I'll now add 1 spoon of tomato paste into it. At this point, my peanut butter is all cooked. I will then add my pumpkin into the stew and slow cooking for 10 minutes. I'll also add my dry fish into it. So after 10 minutes of slow cooking, this is how it should be looking. You can see the pumpkin is all cooked, it's soft and tasty. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so and help me to promote Sierra Leone food by sharing it. And I'll see you in my next video.